Hi guys, it's Tony. Today I'm just going to give you a quick look at 4 Seasons battered onion rings. I'm doing them in the deep fat fryer. Alright, so that's what they look like. This of course is from Aldi. I'm going to show you quickly what's in it. I'm going to put the flash on. There we go. See what we're doing. Alright. So you get a big bag of these, and they're they really do cook pretty quick. That's what one looks like. Take a bite. Very nice. I would say they really are good and they're quick as well. And if you take a look inside, they hardly reduce as well, so you're getting like a decent amount in there. I'll just show you that. But yeah, so I'm doing some chips. I've used the Tesco deep fat fryer, and I just put these are going to be a quick tea. But I thought I'd show you that, guys. Nice. Get yourself some of them. Recommend them definitely. They do taste nice as well. It's got like a peppery taste to them. Really, really nice. Anyway, guys, I'm going to crack on. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.